Okay, to save some time, we're not going to go through the whole review deck, but I am going to introduce our new suffixes we're going to learn about today. This is a new suffix. This suffix is let. Suffix let means small or article worn on. So a starlet would be a small star, or wristlet, worn on your wrist. And suffix ly, ly. Suffix ly means like, how, occurring. So sadly, you're like being sad. Quickly, how fast are you going? You're going quick. And occurring daily, so every day, daily or weekly, occurring every week, happening every week. Okay, so there's an intro to what we will be learning today. This is our spelling word list 13. Okay, so make sure you're studying these. My class, we're just a little behind, so you already took the test on those. I don't know why this looks weird, but okay. We have an activity sheet. When we see something like this, we do alphabetical order. So we start off with the first letter. All of these are S's. When they all match, we go to the second letter. All of these are SP's. Okay, when all of them match, then we go to the third letter. So then we have an O, an E, H, A, I, and a U. All of these are different letters. So now we can start saying our ABCs. A, looking at the third letters, I have space. A, B, C, D, E. Here's my E. Spear. F, G, H. I have an H right here. This one is sphere. PH makes that sound. So this is a sphere. That's a type of shape. H, I. Oh, here's an I. Spine. I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Here's an O. We have spoon. And then OPQRSTU, spunk. Okay, put that to the side. Let's go ahead and do our spelling sound review for today. Number 1, echo after me. F, final, F, F. Number 2, oi. O, I, final, O, Y. Number 3, ow. O, U, final, O, W. Number 4, qu. Q, U. Number 5, A consonant E. Sorry, comma A, final, A, Y. Number 6, TH. Number 7, GLE. GLE. Number 8, V, comma, V, final, VE. And then number 9, consonant E, comma, I, final, Y. Okay, review words. Number 10, pink. P-I-N-K. Number 11, scrub. Skr, S-C-R, scrub, U-B. Number 12, maple, M-A-P-L-E. Sight words. Number 13, question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Number 14, again. A-G-A-I-N. And number 15, answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. Your sentence for today is Tom's work paid off and he did not fail the test. Capital T. Write very carefully. Practice your very best handwriting, please. Tom's work. So I have to put in an apostrophe. This is called an apostrophe S because it belongs to Tom. Tom did it. Tom's work finger spacing in between each word. Paid off. Even Miss Niedringhouse has to write slower to make sure my handwriting is neater. So make sure you write slowly and neatly. I use the ly suffixes, right? Slowly, neatly. So paid off and he did, watch your D's, not fail the test. Period. Okay. All right, we're going to move on to our lesson. Echo these words after me and listen for the sounds that they have. Okay. Weekly, quickly, booklet. Okay, so all of these words have suffixes. Where are they at? That's right, suffix ly and suffix let. Anybody remember how we code suffixes? That's right, we box them. Okay, so we box the suffix, and then the word that we don't have boxed, that is our base word or root word. Okay, so when suffix ly is added to a word, it can tell us how often something was done, as in the word weekly, or how something was done, as in the word quickly. Okay, it can tell us how often or how something was done. Okay, so if it was done quickly in a quick way, or if it's done weekly, every week. And suffix ly also tells us something or someone is acting a certain way. Like the word sadly means someone who is acting sad. So if someone is walking sadly down the road, they're acting in a sad way. What do you think of the word or the suffix let means? What do you think let means when it's added to the word book? So let, if it's added to the word book, what would it mean? A booklet. A small book. So suffix let on the end of a noun can mean something small. For example, a booklet is a small book and a starlet is a small or a young star. Suffix let can also mean something that is worn, such as the word wristlet, which means something that is worn on the wrist, like a bracelet. Okay, it's worn on your wrist. When we see the suffix on a word, how do we code it? We already talked about that. We code it with a box. What other codings does this word need? We have digraph EE. It says the long E sound. Now we can say this as weekly. We have digraph CK and a QU combination with an I vowel followed by a consonant. We code it with a brief. quickly. And here's digraph OO. Says the long. Says the sound. So booklet, and actually, yeah, that goes like that. Booklet. Okay, so let's go back to our high frequency words and write down our new sounds and words. This is on the back of the page that we were just writing on. And number 1 is ringlet. A small ring. Number 2, slowly. Okay. And number 3, quickly. Please practice your high frequency words. Practice reading and spelling each of these words and use them in a sentence with your very best handwriting, please. Moving on to our worksheet. This is the worksheet side. Suffix let and ly. You are going to code these words. You box the suffix. My vowel is followed by a consonant. Code it with a breathe. Flatly. Flatly. Box the suffix let. R, starlet. Starlet. Okay, so flatly is means like something is flat, or lay it flat in a flat manner, lay it down flat, right? Starlet, small star. Suffix ly. I have an ea right here, digraph. Ea, remember, says 3 sounds, e, or a. And this is going to have the long e sound, neatly. Okay, do it in a neat way. Suffix ly again. My vowel is followed by a consonant, code it with a breathe. Softly. Do it in a soft way. Okay. Suffix ly, ou, ow. Okay, combination ou, proudly. They're very proud, okay? Okay, let. Suffix, my vowel is followed by a consonant, coded with a breathe. And I have a C that is followed by a U, so that means I use the K back, and I know the C is going to have a K sound. Okay, so when a C is followed by an A, O, U, or any consonant, it has the K sound. So it's a cutlet, a small cut of something. Okay. Y, box. My C is followed by a consonant, so I make a K back on it. My vowel is followed by a consonant. I breathe. Crisply. And then let. My vowel is followed by a consonant, coded with a breathe. Piglet, a small pig. Okay, let's go ahead and read these words. Foot, cold, leg, egg, cloth, and round. Box is to square as sun is to, well, what shape is the sun? Round. If a box is square, the sun is round. Sun is to hot as ice is to cold. The sun is hot, the ice is cold. Finger is to hand as foot is to leg. I wouldn't say foot again. I wouldn't say foot is to foot. No, it's going to be to your leg. So your finger is on your hand, attached to your hand, and a foot is attached to your leg, right? Window is to glass as dress is to cloth. So a window is made out of glass. A dress is made out of cloth. Crust is to bread as shell is to egg. So the outer part of the bread is crust and the outer part or the inside of the shell is an egg. Ring is to finger as sock is to foot. You put a ring on your finger and you put a sock on your foot. Okay, not too bad, right? You need to pause the video. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on this side and then put it in your folder to be turned in. Have a great day.